Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Ramaseva Ramyaseva. We have been discussing the epic Ramayana and we have been trying to see the similarities for a life of service in this kind of situations. So, Sita has been abducted, and then Rama now comes to Shabari, and then Shabari, through Shabari, who had spent an entire life waiting patiently for Rama, and then who gives makes him, feeds him actually, and she's the one who advises him to go and then meet Sugriva and Rishyamukha, and he goes to Sugriva, befriends Sugriva there, and Sugriva has been leading a life of isolation, having been kicked out of his own kingdom from by Vali, the arrogant one. And from there, he meets up Hanuman, the great devotee, and Hanuman is the one actually who finally who takes up the insignia that Rama gives, and then now crosses the ocean. The ocean is such a difficult thing to cross for any monkey, as you would think. But Hanuman was no ordinary monkey. He had the capability to cross over, and not only that, to come over three enemies that come up from time to time. Like, there was a Mainaka Parvatam that came up, and then there was a Surama who came up from the waters. So all those things, the obstacles, again, Hanuman could easily come over and then reach Lanka. So this is the part of the story that comes up in this. Now let's try and understand what is the linkage of this to the current situations. We have seen that when we set out on the life of service with the goodness having come up in us so beautifully, we see that when the wisdom has been abducted, and then I told you last time that it's like a second wave of COVID that comes up. There's again a pandemonium because of the pandemic that comes up. And then as we're going, Sabari denotes actually that Sabari denotes a life of patience. So Rama first shows by taking care of Sabari that we have to abide by patience during this time, and then not try to do things in a hurry, and then we have to ensure that things happen, take their time, but we have to go by that. So that Sabari actually also is closer to the word Saburi, which also means patience. So it's very important that we be patient during that time. And as we move by, Sugriva stands for someone with a good neck, and someone with a good neck actually is to connote that someone who has a very nice head on good shoulders. That's what is the meaning, which means someone who is capable of thinking in the positive way. But the person has been isolated or sent away because of Vali, who's the arrogant one, who misunderstands. So this is also symbolic in a particular way of COVID kind of thing, which sends people into isolation. So Sugriva is one such person, and then Rama is there to befriend. And then so every person who is actually being affected in these times, you should understand that God is with you. Don't worry, God is with you. However, we need to have patience, we need to have Sabari in mind. And Hanuman, who is the Buddhi, Hanuman represents Buddhi, the intellect in us, the Vichakshana in us, the discrimination part in us. And then this Hanuman is close by, he becomes a great sevak of Rama, and he is the one actually to be the messenger from Rama to wisdom, to just let know that wisdom need not be bothered. Our wisdom doesn't go away anywhere just because there is this pandemic that is coming up, and then the upsurgence of all these innate tendencies like anger and all. Life, everything is not lost, and Rama is coming, the goodness is coming, is a message he wants to go and then give to Sita, and then he successfully does it. But before that, he crosses over the sea, and the sea here is a very symbolic way to represent the sea of despair, and then the sea of confusion and illusion that we are all in. It is the sea of actually the illusion and the temporariness of the entire world. So life becomes, during this time, many people become very disillusioned with life. They want, in fact, some people want to end their life. When you do, for example, your earning stops, and then people want to end their life, and so on. When close ones pass away, they want to end their life. All this is denoted by the sea samsara, sea of samsara. But it is a Buddhi, Hanuman, who is capable of crossing it. So Ramayana tells us that it is precisely during these times that we have to apply our intellect. So we have seen three parts in this episode. One is that we have to be patient, taking an advice or suggestion from Sabari kind of thing. We need to befriend those people who are actually affected during these times, and then show a lot of empathy to them like Rama did with Sugriva. And then we need to fall back on the Vichakshana or intelligence that actually is capable of taking us over this entire depression stage, to again to reach wisdom. So this is what has been represented in Ramayana in this part. And as usual, I want to just remind all our friends that when you are interacting with others, please wear a mask, please maintain the social distance, please sanitize yourself all the time, please carry positive thoughts in your mind, and then don't give way to negativity, and if possible, encourage others to be positive too. So with this, and with a promise that I'm going to come back in the next episode with something more interesting that would be happening to our hero Rama, I take leave right now.